And now, Grumpy Pants. Words and pictures by Claire Messer. Penguin was in a bad mood. A very bad mood. He didn't know why, and he didn't care. He stomped his feet all the way home. He pulled off his grumpy coat and kicked off his grumpy boots. But he was still grumpy. He tried to shake it off. But he was still grumpy. So he pulled off one grumpy sock and then the other. But he was still grumpy. So he took off his grumpy overalls. Nope. Still grumpy. Finally, he took off his grumpy underpants. I'm still grumpy, you know. Then Penguin took a deep breath, and he counted. 1, 2, 3. Splash! The water was nice and cold. Penguin played with his duck. He hid under the water and made himself a bubble beard. Little by little, he was starting to feel much better. It was time to get out of the tub. He put on his favorite pajamas, and he had a steaming cup of hot chocolate. He read his favorite book. He found his favorite teddy and climbed into bed. As Penguin fell asleep, he knew that tomorrow would be a good day because all the grumpiness had been washed away.